best dash cams. Hello everyone, hope you guys are fine and doing well. Here I am back with another video. Dash cams are demanding these days, and many people like to use them for outstanding photos and documentaries. So, in this video, I'm going to share the 5 best dash cams that you can use. So, without any delay, let's start with this video, and yes, make sure to like, share, and comment on this video. And also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, let's have a look at first number. Number 1, Nexbase 622 GW Dash Cam. So, if you talk about the best dash cam, then this is one of the best dash cams that you can use for outstanding results, rather than being a substitute for the extra low price 522 GW. See below, the 622 GW is sincerely a brand new flagship dash cam, and it has established itself because of the high satisfactory dash cam to purchase for now. In our test, it added a great deal advanced video exceptional and higher stabilization at the side of the inclusion of what 3 words geolocation offerings for pinpointing afflicted automobiles inside a 3-meter radius. When we selected to shoot in 4K 30p, the ensuing pictures seemed nearly cinematic in their presentation, with extraordinarily crisp definition and notable detail, even in negative lighting. This makes it a great deal simpler to pinpoint registration numbers or select out hard-to-see factors of an accident. An integrated polarizing clear-out at the front of the cam may be circled to lessen glare from windscreens, whilst virtual photograph stabilization is some other first for the Sprint Cam marketplace, and allows cleaning out the one's bumps and shakes as a result of potholes and negative street surfaces. Thankfully, the 3-inch rear touchscreen is crisp, clean, and really smooth to use, whilst the inclusion of what 3 words combines properly with Nextbase's emergency SOS feature, which you get a year's unfastened subscription for with this dash cam. Number 2, Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Now, this is another outclassed dash cam that you can get in an appropriate amount. The Garmin Mini 2 is a tiny dash cam that each one, however, appears in the back of your car's rear view mirror, but boasts full HD video with HDR, voice management that really works reliably, a first-rate phone app, and a dead-easy magnetic mounting device. Installing the Mini 2 is similar to different individuals of the Garmin Dash Cam family. We discovered the setup method took only some minutes with using Garmin's Drive phone app, iOS and Android. The easy, however powerful mounting device contains a ball and socket joint for positioning the cam at the best angle, at the same time as a coin-sized magnet that sticks on your windscreen and holds the dash cam securely in place. We located the video exceptional to be appropriate for the scale of the cam. It information in full HD, 30 FPS with HDR, and produces pictures this is sharp and sufficient to select key information like registration plates, regardless of the ambient mild and climate conditions. Unless you require the quality dash cam with Motive 4 support capabilities like Pace Cam alerts, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 will go away you trying for extremely little. Simple, diffused, and reliable. It is the definition of set and forget technology. Number 3, Nexbase 622 GW. The Nexbase 622 GW flagship C01 is probably one of the maximum superior dash cams you could buy. However, the 522 GW stays the exceptional dash cam all-rounder, thanks to a crisp 1440p decision and wide attitude lens. It does the fundamentals very well, however, additionally throws in lots of extra features. We discovered the 3-inch touchscreen again to be responsive, and there may be additionally the choice in the usage of the integrated Alexa functionality. Currently, you could ask Alexa to play music, area calls, and concentrate on audiobooks via related devices, even the dashcam skill, which helps you to command it to begin recording, forestall recording, guard a recording, and ship to my phone, which is a piece extra polish. Number 4, Garmin Dash Cam 67W. The 67W supersedes Garmin's already superb 66W with some extra length capabilities that best upload to a completely attractive bundle. At approximately the scale of a matchbox, the 67W is one of the smallest dash cams we have had the respect of trying out. In fact, it is handiest user through Garmin's personal Mini, that's so small it seems like it got here out of a Christmas cracker. Crammed into this tiny package deal is a top exceptional sensor. It really is able to shoot crisp 1404 photos and improve it in the once complicated climate situations way to an HDR, high dynamic range function. In our test, it appeared excellent, and the extra pixels made it feasible to punch into pictures on the laptop to study range plates or spot minor matters that might act as essential evidence. Bear in thoughts that Garmin will rate you for a garage plan, and in case you need to make the maximum of its link capabilities, including the capacity to remotely take a look at a parked vehicle from everywhere within the world. You may hardwire the camera into your vehicle's primary energy source. You'll additionally want to make certain the cam is attached to a Wi-Fi network. So this indicates parking subsequent to a pleasant router or making an investment in a cell hotspot. That allows you to additionally require regular energy. You can see the way it swiftly will become a deep and costly rabbit hole. Regardless, in case you simply need excellent exceptional pictures, it really is mechanically recorded through something in order to shape right into a blouse pocket appearance no further. Now, let's have a look at the last option on today's list, and let's see what we have at this number. Number 5. Nexbase Pro Dash Cam. Now, here we have another exciting dash cam. This dash cam is aimed at people who spend long durations at the back of the wheel. The Nexbase Pro is a dual cam answer which could document video each outside and inside a vehicle. Comprised of separate cam devices related through a cable, we determined the setup to be quite neat, although it took up an honest little bit of display screen actual estate. The Nexbase app is important to the dual digital digicam experience. It is in which you may find track settings, generate incident reviews, and lower back recorded clips as much as the cloud and XR bundles Cloud Garage and for free. Other beneficial gears consist of brake and indicators if a person attempts to tamper together along with your vehicle, in addition to GPS information logging. This dash cam would not file in 4K. However, we determined its 1080p video to be flawlessly serviceable. The outside digital cam fares properly even in complicated capturing situations, from heavy rain to brilliant sunshine. There are inexpensive dash cams accessible with fewer capabilities to play with. However, if the safety of your vehicle is important for your each day life, the Pro is difficult to overcome in phrases of safety and common value.